a good day, so I'm going to show you the trades that I conducted, why I picked them, and hopefully you can learn something. So let's look at what we did for the day. Today we made $815 and we traded 5 different stocks throughout the day. So let's start with our loser. AMD was our loser of the day. And let's look at it to figure out if we made a mistake and what we can learn from that. So let's look at our trade. Here's our trade on AMD and why we traded it. So the reason I chose this trade is I was just kind of moving around and I saw that AMD was getting close to VWAP and it crossed VWAP. At the same time that it crossed VWAP, you'll notice MACD was starting to show an upward trend. Oftentimes when a stock crosses VWAP, it will continue in the direction that it's going. So like here it went up, it crossed VWAP, went way up. Here it went down, crossed VWAP, went way down. So I'm thinking, oh great, just crossed VWAP, it's going to climb up to here, just like it did every other time it crossed VWAP. So I bought it. It did not. I bought it here and here, and then it just turned down. It just went straight down, so I shorted out. Once it went back below VWAP, just like in the past where it's gone below VWAP, it continued to go down. It went below VWAP, and sure enough, it continued to go down. So I did good by shorting my loss, or stopping the loss. So let's look at our next one. Let's go in order here. Apple. Next up was Apple. Apple. Charts. There we go. Here's Apple. So Apple, we traded kind of early day. So Apple was going up, then down, then started to come back up again. As it started to come back up, a couple things happened. First off, this first candle is an engulfing candle. So I'm thinking, oh great, we have a trend reversal beginning to occur. You'll notice RSI indicator was also very low. And then with this first green bar, it jumped up. This bar jumped really fast. And so I got excited and I thought it was going to have it, starting the reversal. And so I bought in here, and then I saw, confirmation it's going up more. So I bought in more, and it didn't. It kind of went down, kind of just hung out for a little while. So my stop loss was about here. My target was up here. It just hung out, so I started squeezing. I lowered my target. I actually lowered my target to about here. And then I raised my stop loss a little bit, and then it ended up catching my target, which was a small gain. But I got out, and you can see I kind of got out pretty well because it just continued to go down. Let's look up next. AMC, our winner for the day. So AMC pulled up on my scanner. So I have my watch list for the day. I kind of plan the day. These are the stocks I plan on watching for the day. And then I have my scanners running to look for top gainers and top losers. AMC popped up on the scanner. And why did it pop up on the scanner? Well, if you look at this 5-day chart, it's kind of chilling, and then boom, it just blew up overnight. Went from 2.4 all the way up to 3.8 overnight, which is wild. That's a huge gain. So it showed up on the scanner. And so come morning, it started tanking. The knife was falling. And then we have green. And as soon as there's green, I took the bet that it would go up. The knife's over. It's had an upward trend. Should continue to go up. So the morning sell-offs are done, and I bought it. So I bought it here, and then I bought it here, and I bought it here. I bought it all the way up. As it's going up, I continued buying more and more. And then right at the top here, I sold it all, and I made $520. So as soon as I saw a reversal, I just dumped it. I could have probably held on to it a little bit longer, it looks like, but I moved on at that point. So up next was Disney. So let's see what happened with Disney. Disney, we did a short, really short trade. Early morning, Disney dumped, and we saw a sign of revival. Purchased it in the first turn and sold it on the second. So very short, $25 gain. Didn't hang on to that one very long. Tesla. Tesla was a fun stock to trade today. I did a couple trades on Tesla, and it was one of my more by the books trades, I would say. So let's look in here and see what happened. So here we have Tesla is in an upward trend, and you'll see the MACD right around here shows that a trend reversal is occurring. At the same time, it's also crossing VWAP. So when it crosses VWAP, it often continues to go down, and so that's what we took our trade off of. You'll notice we sold short right here and here, and then it watched it, and then sure enough, there it goes down and covered the short right around here. And then it continued to go down. I watched it, and because I saw a new reversal, here we have RSI indicator showing oversold, and the potential for an engulfing candle has occurred. Very strong buyer resistance. Purchased here, purchased more on confirmation, sold a little bit on my first evidence of a trend reversal, and sold the rest of it over here. So that was a nice trade. So those are my trades for the day. While I've got you, let's see if there's any trades worth taking live. Let's see. We have a potential turn on AMD. What do we have going on here? We have AMD hanging out at VWAP. You'll notice AMD does go through VWAP or bounce off of VWAP. So you see it's kind of bounced off. It doesn't seem to hit VWAP very clearly, which is good because it's gone over VWAP. And it's actually potential for going down here. Let's watch this price action. So at $57, each 50 trade is about $2,500. What do we have? So our only indicators right now are price action, really. Volume is not really high. RSI is not showing oversold. MACD is not showing trend reversal. So in reality, this would be a bad trade to take. Even though it looks like a good trade, there's not enough evidence showing that I should be taking this trade. And so I'm not going to take it. And let's see what else we got. Let's zoom out a little bit. Boeing. Yeah, I don't see any trades. So I'll do one more rundown, but if I don't see anything, that's it. Yeah, see, AMD actually, good thing I didn't trade it, right? I wanted to trade it. I saw a potential reversal, but there was no evidence for the trade. So it's not even with a little bit of price action showing potential for downward swing, it clearly did not occur. In fact, quite the opposite occurred, which now, means maybe I should be buying it. But we have an issue here. RSI is showing overbought. So that it's almost like the trend's too fast. So I don't like this one for either side. There's not enough evidence in either direction. And chances are it'll probably do something around here. It might convene a little bit. It might just chop back and forth. Don't really know. This late in the day, it's a little harder. The volume goes down, volatility goes down. Things start to go more in a straight line. Yep, I think I'm done for the day. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this, please like and subscribe for more.